This short session will concentrate on the shared responsibilities in the cloud. As organizations consider and evaluate public cloud services, it's essential to explore how different cloud service models will affect the cost, ease of use, privacy, and security and compliance. It's equally important that customers consider how security and compliance are managed by the cloud service provider or CSP, who will enable a safe computing solution. In addition, many organizations who consider public cloud computing mistakenly assume that after moving to the cloud, their role in securing their data shifts most of the security and compliance responsibilities to the CSP. It would be fair to say that since the inception of cloud computing, security was one of the main barriers to cloud adoption. More recently, however, it is now one of the top benefits from moving to cloud. This has been down to CSP's investment in security and their ability to provide customers with the security assurances they need through attaining a range of regional, industry, and regulatory compliances. Cloud services are built on trust. Customers have to trust the CSP's security standards and practices, and one of the best ways to obtain the trust of a customer is for the CSP to provide independently audited attestations such as a Service Organization Controls Report, otherwise known as a SOC report, to verify their security. This is a standardized reporting framework for CSPs to document their operational security, which are regularly audited. In addition to providing security for the cloud platform, CSPs also provide a range of security controls and blueprints for customers to deploy and adopt to help customers protect their data in the cloud. Cloud adoption therefore requires an acute knowledge of the shared responsibility or distributed responsibility model, which is a standard model adopted by all CSPs. The model uses the concept of a responsibility waterline to distinguish between areas of responsibility that sit with the CSP and areas of responsibility that remain with the customer. Cloud providers by design will provide security for certain elements, such as the physical infrastructure, network, compute, and storage services, but customers must be aware of their own responsibilities. CSPs will also provide services for customers to consume to help protect data, like network security controls, identity and access management, and data encryption controls, and customers have to understand their role in protecting the security and privacy of their data. If we take a closer look at the shared responsibilities in cloud, you can see that the waterline of responsibility shifts dependent on the type of cloud service that's being consumed. On the left, in an on-premises environment, the customer assumes all responsibility. However, as you move to the right, shared responsibility changes, and on the extreme right, the CSP would assume most of the responsibility for a SaaS environment. A key takeaway from this is that the customer can never delegate all responsibilities to the cloud service provider. There will always be areas of data governance, client endpoints, and account access control and management that will always be a customer responsibility, regardless of the cloud model in question. All of these security improvements, whether it's the CSPs being more open and more clear about their security capabilities, or the provision of more security controls for customers to consume, or the third-party cloud-agnostic cybersecurity vendors providing more cloud-capable solutions, especially when it comes to multi-cloud, are combining to make the move to multi-cloud more compelling, even for the most conservative or risk-averse industries. The challenge for those industry verticals now is more around corporate culture and a willingness to adjust and adopt a different model, and in doing so, inherit the benefits of agility and speed in order to change and continually enhance their customers' experiences.